It's a little ridiculous. Like, look how much snow is in here. Look at the FJ.
Go play.
It's a little ridiculous. Man, I'll tell you what. If I wanted this, I would have moved to like New York or something like that.
We're not made for this.
Yeah, that's why we in the South. You can't see me because the steering wheel.
Yeah, but look at how big these snowflakes are. Like, they're huge.
It's literally 8 inches of snow. 8 inches. And we about to go test the FJ in it.
We're literally just going to the store.
Wow.
What?
Your windshield cracked more.
Right there?
Yeah, straight up. Darn it. These freaking flat windshields. I'm curious to see how this is gonna turn out. It's bad that I can't tell where the road is.
You're passing the sidewalk.
That's how much snow it is. I can't tell what is the road and what is not the road.
Oh no, we're stuck.
Oh.
We're stuck.
Hold on, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, that's in park. My bad. My bad.
Did you put it in 4-wheel drive?
Yeah, I had to.
Oh my god.
Dude, there's a lot of snow. Alright, we good. Got stuck for a second in 2-wheel drive, but we got it in 4-wheel drive, so we're good now. We're good.
Oh no, what is that? That bulb's never. Oh, they made a snowman. So cute.
There's a ball in the road.
Yeah, there is a ball on the road.
We got this. We got this. It's a hill, but we got this. I'll tell you what.
If we did not have 4-wheel drive, we would not have been able to make it out of that driveway.
One frozen wasteland later.
Huh?
That didn't go well. I'm obviously not.
Let me try.
I think he has more fun with the FJ than I do. He's been wanting to do this all week long. I don't think he realizes that I'm losing feeling in my fingertips.
I figured it out.
Okay, well come on.
You wanna try?
No, I can't feel my fingers.
Okay.
Squirrely.
Squirrely?
Well, a little bit.
Took us a minute to figure out how to get it squirrely, but hey, we got it, so we're good. I will say this, it did kind of got out of control a little bit. I was sitting there going, all right, I can't stop. Let's hope I go the right direction. What an FJ can do is pretty good, especially on just normal all-terrain tires. It's pretty good. I did have 3 incidents today though.
At least he got home safe.
You know that roundabout? I looked over to my left at the mirror to see if I can get over. And in that split second, I went over the bridge and it was frozen. And all you saw was me just... But what I like about the FJ is it literally did everything for me. Like, I literally just sat there and I was like, all right, here we go. And I felt the steering wheel turn. I felt the brake kind of pulsing, and then I felt the gas kind of going. And it was just kind of doing everything on its own. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is a nice vehicle. Toyota did something with this one, even though I wasn't a big fan of it at first, but it's a nice vehicle. We got a giveaway going on, so make sure you watch this video right up here.
There.
Should be.
Okay.
If not, I'll flip it.
Okay. Peace out. Oh, I'm short. Okay, stop it.